This will be a short tutorial on how to use Kee Pharmacology Chapter 4 Math Calculation Chapter. You just want to sign in on your username and password and click Submit. This is going to take you over to the left side where you can see Resources, Courses, and you want to go to Courses and click on your 6th edition. Now, let me say that you must be enrolled in the online portion to be able to do this. And this is another reason why I wanted you to have the code and be in this online portion, because you can have access to the online portion for 2 years. And this allows you to get through your whole program basically and have access to a very good resource. So what you want to do, click at the beginning and then go to Course. And I want you to go into Self-Study Modules. And you can scroll down, and it's going to be 12 right here. Self-Study Module 12, and it's Drug Calculation Review Module. I want you to click on that. And as you'll see here, you have Drug Calculation Review in Module 12. You have everything from your conversion between systems of measurement, drug calculation methods, the different types that you can learn, oral medications, parental medications, and there's all these activities and problems that you can do in here, practice problems, pediatric drug calculations, doing your BSA, it's all right here. So let's just take a look at one, dimensional analysis method that I talked a little bit earlier about. Teaches you how to do dimensional analysis, or you could do a drip problem any other way that you would like. But I want to show you what it does. When you go into the self-study module, you click on problem 2, and this is just a practice problem. And say, for instance, I put in a wrong answer. Let's just put in the answer here and make sure it's wrong. And it tells me incorrect and to try again. So I'm going to put in again, run another wrong answer. And remember how I said in my last flip chart that we talked about that it gives you a tutor if you get it wrong twice. So here's the tutor. I want you to click on tutor. Now what this will do for you is it will take you through the different types and different steps if you want to. So pick the area or the steps that you would like to do more so. Let me open this back up. You can see it better. Okay. Here there's a basic formula, a fractional equation, ratio, proportion, and dimensional analysis. Like I said, I like dimensional analysis, and this is the way I'll be teaching math when I teach it. And you just click on dimensional analysis, and you can click on step 1, and it tells you here the formula, drug label times the conversion factor times the drug order, which when we did our Pitocin problem, that's how we did that. Click on step 2. Now it's going to show you exactly step by step how to break this problem down, and I've used the steps with you basically and showed you how to set this up. Again, a lot of people don't understand why you have those middle numbers in there, and talks about what you can substitute for so you don't have to move your decimals. Then you can go into click step 3, and here what they're doing is they're eliminating the units of measurement and just making it a problem. And to do that, I like to leave my unit of measurements on there, just the fact that I know they have to cross over. You can't have milligrams and grams right here on the same line. Step 4. And it's going to tell you here, and it's going to show you just multiply it. And it multiplies it out for you. They're consolidating their problem, which in the Pitocin problem I showed you in the flip chart, I didn't consolidate, I just take it out. And what you're doing is you're still solving for x. And it gives you your answer. So, this is a very easy method. Like I said, you can do a couple of different problems in here, but what you have is an array of resource here for in your Kee Pharmacology book for your math, and whether you're in first year freshman nursing or second year. But there's so much here that you could do. Like I said, it's endless to how many math problems that you can work in chapter 4. Though you were in math for meds, I don't know if this I know this book was used. You should have purchased the online portion to it. If you did, then you already have access to this. And I'm just going to show you here how to use it. But if you have any questions, please let me know.